At our Law and CSI program, students actually take on the roles of both legal and forensic science professionals as they work to solve a simulated case as part of the program.
Yesterday, I was a criminal profiler for like a simulation we had. I had that interest inside, so that definitely confirmed it.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this program. It's like for people who might not know if they're like in a law, because you can definitely come here and see if you are.
We had to go interview witnesses. I love this. This is so great.
You get so much experience because you're in the heart of it right here in DC.
Students find out if these career pathways in both legal studies or criminal justice might be for them.
Today, we actually got to go see an actual sexual assault case, like taking place, and it was just so eye-opening.
I think it's changed me to the point where I really definitely want to pursue a career in forensics.
Now I know what it really takes to be a lawyer.